What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you deadly precision for Legion. We need to kill 8 enemies with leg shots and kill 5 enemies with arm shots with a sniper rifle. Obviously, the best thing to do here is to bring a sniper rifle with you into a game, that way you can complete both of these very easily. Right, starting with leg shots. There's one. There's 2, and I see that that second one was an arm shot. Anyways, you get the point. It's really not a difficult mission. You just need to find enemies and kill them using a sniper rifle in specific positions. You don't need to extract or do anything fancy like that. Just do the task, and that's it. There we go. There's 5 out of 6 currently. 5 out of 8. There's a stronghold card. There's another arm shot. The arm shots seem to not count as much as the leg shot. Maybe I'm just not that accurate, maybe the server's being a bit weird, but anyways, that should definitely count, but it didn't. Oh no, it did, there we go. Anti-armor round should help at least a little bit, and here come some more enemies. Oh, they're a bit far away. Here we go, 7 out of 8, 3 out of 5. Hopefully that counts. Now for another arm shot. Does that count? Yes, it does. 4 out of 5. Last one. Is that it? That is it. That's deadly precision. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully you're accurate, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.